Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the mouse powered and the PC ready. Now start pairing. First, make sure the mouse batteries are fresh or at least 50% charged and flip the power on. Next, open Windows settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices, and turn Bluetooth on so your PC can discover devices. Once done, press and hold the mouse pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until an LED blinks. This signals the mouse is discoverable, which is required for the next step. With the mouse discoverable, click Add Bluetooth or other device, then choose Bluetooth. You will see a list. Select the Microsoft mouse name that matches the model. If Windows prompts for a PIN, compare numbers and accept, otherwise just click Pair. Once paired, Windows will show Connected. Make sure the cursor moves and both primary buttons respond. If you see intermittent movement, move closer to the PC and remove obstacles. After a successful test, you can close settings and continue using the mouse. You're almost done. Install the Microsoft Accessories app if you need custom buttons or DPI adjustments, because drivers can unlock extra features. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart your PC and put the mouse back into pairing mode. This clears transient errors. If that does not work, unpair or remove the mouse from Bluetooth devices and repeat pairing. As a last resort, try using a different USB port for the Bluetooth adapter, or test the mouse on another computer to isolate hardware problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.